Welcome to Smart GK. Smart GK मा तपाईहरु सबैलाई स्वागत छ। 2500 feasible questions for नेपाल राष्ट्र बैंक प्री टेस्ट 2078 को डे 21 लिएर उपस्थित भएकी छु। मेरो नाम हो श्रद्धा श्रेष्ठ र स्मार्ट जीके नेपालको पहिलो नम्बर 1 अनलाइन इन्स्टिट्युटमा विभिन्न अनलाइन तयारी कक्षाहरू सञ्चालन भइरहेका छन्। लिन चाहनुहुन्छ भने सम्पर्क गर्नुहोला अथवा हाम्रो अफिसियल वेबसाइट www.smartgkonline.com भिजिट गर्न सक्नुहुनेछ अथवा हाम्रो एप स्मार्ट जीके डाउनलोड गरेर पनि क्लासेसहरू लिन सक्नुहुनेछ। त्यस्तै किताबहरू पनि उपलब्ध छन् र स्टडी रुमको पनि व्यवस्था रहेको छ, आएर पढ्न सक्नुहुनेछ। त्यसको लागि पनि सम्पर्क गर्नुहोला। अब लागौँ आजको प्रश्नोत्तरतर्फ, जसमा पहिलोमा रहेको छ म्याक्रो इकोनोमिक्स मेनली डिल्स विथ डिटर्मिनेसन अफ इन्कम एन्ड employment. If the economy of country had economic relation with the rest of the world, it is called open economy. The circular flow of income and expenditure in two sectors, household sector and business sector, is an example of closed economy. Which one is not the features of closed economy? Free movement of labor is not the feature of closed economy. Which of the following is not the features of closed economy? Less government intervention. Which of the following is not the features of open economy? GDP and GNP are same. The variables that explain about the aggregate or overall nature of the economy are called macroeconomic variables. The money which is worthless but known as money is currency note. Economics is a science which studies the optimum use of scarce resources. Which one of the following does not study of microeconomics? Banking system. Which one of the following is not studied in microeconomics? Consumer behavior. Macroeconomics deals with four major factors, which are household, firms, government and external sector. Which one of the following is macroeconomics not discussed? Price determination in a market. An incentive An incentive could be either a reward or a penalty. The most fundamental economic problem is scarcity. Economics is best defined as the study of how people, businesses, governments and societies make choices to cope with scarcity. Economists point out that scarcity confronts both the poor and the rich. Scarcity requires that people must compete. As an economic concept, scarcity applies to both money and time. Which is the most accurate definition of the study of economics? Economics is the study of the choices we make because of scarcity. Which of the following is a macroeconomic topic? The reasons for the rise in average prices. Which of the following is a microeconomic topic? The reasons why Kathy buys less orange juice. Microeconomics focuses on all of the following except the effect of increasing the money supply on inflation. In broad terms, the difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics is that microeconomics studies decisions of individual people and firms, whereas macroeconomics studies the entire national economy. Studying the determination of prices in individual markets is primarily a concern of microeconomics. The analysis of the behavior of individual decision-making units is the definition of microeconomics. Which of the following topics would be studied in a microeconomics course? How rent ceilings impact the supply of apartments. Which of the following is a macroeconomic issue? How federal government budget deficits affect interest rates? Which of the following is an issue in macroeconomics? The effect of increasing the money supply on inflation. Macroeconomic topics include total nationwide employment. Macroeconomics is the branch of economics that studies the economy as a whole. In a free market economy, the allocation of resources is determined by consumer preferences. A rational person does not act unless the action produces marginal benefits that exceed marginal costs. Economics is a dash science which deals with human wants and their satisfaction. Economics is a social science. Dash defined economics as a study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. Alfred Marshall. The growth of an economy is indicated by an increase in national income. Dash equals revenue minus all explicit costs, accounting profit. The father of new economics is J. M. Keynes. The dash problem refers to the possibility that owners and their managers may have different objectives. Principal agent problem. Economic profit refers to dash minus all relevant costs, both explicit and implicit revenues. The interaction of individuals and firms in a market can be described as a dash of money, goods and services and resources through product and factor markets. Circular flow. Dash focuses on the behavior of the individual actors on the economic stage, that is, firms and individuals and their interaction in markets. Microeconomics. In free market economy, the organization and interaction of producers and consumers is accomplished through the price system. An economic system dash. An economic system is a particular set of institutional arrangements and a coordinating mechanism used to respond to the economizing problem. The regulatory mechanism of the market system is competition. Which of the following is not an economic cost? Economic profits. From society's point of view, the economic function of profit and losses is to relocate resources from less desired to more desired uses. In economics, the central problem is scarcity. Macroeconomics deals with economic aggregates. Microeconomics is not concerned with the behavior of aggregate demand. The total demand of goods and services in an economy is known as aggregate demand. Unemployment means that at the going wage rate, there are people who want to work but cannot find work. Opportunity cost is that which we forego or give up when we make a choice or a decision. The circular flow of goods and incomes shows the relationship between firms and households. In a planned or command economy, all the economic decisions are taken by the government. Economics is the study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. The definition was given by Alfred Marshall. The branch of economic theory that deals with the problem of allocation of resources is microeconomics, a study of how increase in the corporate income tax rate will affect the natural unemployment rate is an example of macroeconomics. If a point falls inside the production possibility curve, what does it indicate? Resources and underutilized. Resources are underutilized. In which type of economy do consumers and producers make their choices based on the market forces of demand and supply? Market economy. Under a free economy, prices are determined through free interplay of demand and supply. Which of the following falls under microeconomics? Factor pricing. In a free market economy, when consumers increases their purchase of a goods and the level of dash exceeds dash, then prices tend to rise. In a free market economy, when consumers increase their purchase of a goods and the level of demand exceeds supply, then prices tend to rise. Under inductive method, the logic proceeds from particular to general. According to Robbins, means are scarce. National income is one of the important concepts in economic theory which measures the dash of any economy performance. The national income accounting concept was first of all developed by Simon Kuznets. A country with larger national income is called as prosperous country. Which of the following information is correct? National income includes payments made to all resources in terms of wages, interest rate and profits. A country with larger national income is called prosperous country. National income is the monetary value of all final goods and services which are consumed within or outside the country. All are correct. The measures of the total monetary value of a country produce final goods and services within the geographical boundary of a country during a specific time period, generally in 1 year, and evaluated at a market price is called as gross domestic product. The average income of the people of a country in a particular year is called as per capita income. In Nepal, the process of computing GDP was initiated in the year 1961-62. About country also falls in the category of the least developed countries because our country also falls in the category of the least developed countries because per capita income in Nepal is low. Which of the following is not a human development indicator? Income indicator. With whom national income dividing to obtain per capita income? Direct taxes. If an import is greater than export, then trade deficit occurs. To measure inflation, which index is used? To measure inflation, consumer price index is used. Which gross national product minus the depreciation? Net national product. The study of inflation is a part of macroeconomics. GDP measures a country's income. The difference between value of output and value added is intermediate consumption. Product method of calculating national income is also known as value added method. Transfer payments refer to payments which are made without any exchange of goods and services. National income differs from net national product at market price by the amount of net indirect taxes. National income doesn't include the payments by the household to firm for the purchase of goods and services. National income doesn't include interest on unproductive national debt. Net national product at factor cost is also known as national income. In GNP calculation, which of the following should be excluded? Government transfer payment. The condition of a continually rising price level is defined as inflation. The economist who proposed that inflation is always and everywhere a monetary phenomenon is Milton Friedman. Monetarists and Keynesians both agree with Milton Friedman that inflation is a monetary phenomenon. Complete Milton Friedman's famous proposition. Inflation is always and everywhere a monetary phenomenon. At first cut, the simple solution to fighting inflation is reducing the growth rate of the money supply. Inflation occurs whenever the price level rises continuously over a period of time. Evidence strongly supports the view that countries with high inflation also have the highest rates of monetary growth. Countries with the highest inflation rates are likely to have both the highest rates of money growth and large budget deficit. Countries with the highest inflation rates are likely to have the highest rates of money growth. A one-time increase in the money supply results in both B and C, that is, cannot cause inflation and leads to an increase in the price level. Inflation reduces the purchasing power of a rupee. असै पनि साथै आजको भिडियो यही टुङ्ग्याउन चाहन्छु। यदि हाम्रो भिडियोहरू मन परिरहेको छ भने लाइक, सब्स्क्राइब, कमेन्ट, सजेस्ट र सेयर गर्दै गर्नुहोला। धन्यवाद।